So here, in this video, we'll be looking into very different. It's just a edge case, or you can say uh, a feature of JavaScript, or maybe a bug of JavaScript. But I don't know why they have implemented this. But yeah, we will look into it. Uh, so let's say, let's say there is an object obj equal to maybe this, and then maybe not number. Radius radius maybe 2, and then let's say uh, area. I won't be calculating area, but yeah, so area will just return me the read. This. That's it. I just want to show you something. So let's say this is the area, and then maybe you can do whatever you want. This dot mat dot pi. I think it is pi r square. So you can do a mat dot pi dot into square. So no issues with that. And let's say perimeter, maybe I want to just give it something like I just want to print the value. Okay, so you'd see that there's the difference. These both are different, right? Yeah, this is the typical this is the S6 arrow function, and there's the normal, that traditional function you write, right? So uh, what actually happens is that if you write the traditional function, that is before the ES6 has introduced, the older version of the function, then this actually catches your whole object, that is this object. But the thing is, if you apply the arrow function in your object, then this actually points to your web window object, that is the global object that we have in the JavaScript. So now let's say I just want to log maybe obj dot area. I want to invoke this, and then log obj dot perimeter. I just want to invoke. So if you see now, let's say I'll be, yeah, it's giving me undefined, because let's say, because there is no radius. Okay, so this one is the first one, is the traditional function that we have written, and perimeter is the arrow function. So I mean, if you think like normally, then this both should give you the object, right? This whole object, but it actually doesn't happen. So if you see now the output, then you'd say the first output actually gives you the whole object, that is this object. But this the perimeter object. But the thing is, your arrow function actually gives you the whole window object that you actually use, right? That is actually provided by your Chrome, isn't it? This alert and all. You use like clear intervals, clear timeout, and maybe there will be set intervals and all. Right, this is the global object. So if you search in the global object, there is nothing called obj. So this is the, minor edge case that you have to like look into, that how can you avoid this, because object actually doesn't takes the arrow function as such. So yeah.